Hey traders, time to look at the setups. Not much setups today, but we'll look at it. Not a very good day for divergence. Nothing works all the time or nearly all the time every day. It's just the way it works. Okay, we're looking at the NASDAQ, and if you draw a line like this, and then we put our little magical doodah in there. I don't know, I think you would buy in there. After the first 5 minutes, you'd be buying here. Stop would be down here. It'd be about a 40-45 point stop. And guess, look at that. Within 7 minutes or so, it hit your target. And then they took it down, took it back up, took it down. There's no hard to see hidden divergence here. They did some deep dips and bought it up. Deep dip, bought it up. And then a shallow dip and bought it up. Yeah, that's what they're doing. And that's it for the NASDAQ. Let's look at the Dow now. Look at that. Totally different, eh? The Dow. It went down, not up. Well, it went up. It went up on the open, but then they smacked it down. So this is a double topper. Yeah. So we would have got, on the safe side, short right there. Because then we cross back down, and the 5 crossed back down below the 7. And, yeah. And we had a lower closing candle right here. So on the opening of this one is where we would have sold it. Stop would have been big, 100 points. Did it go down 100? Oh, just by the skin of your teeth, we hit T1, man, target 1. Beautiful, beautiful. And then it went sideways, and this is what it's doing now. There's actually oh, God. Gotta love when you stutter. It's probably from all those flu shots we got. Oh, yeah. So that would be a sell there. With the hard to see divergence. Just like that. And this one like that. That's it. You would have sold somewhere in here if you wanted to. Just like I was telling you, anytime you do a hard, a hidden divergence trade, it's always at the bottom of the chart if you're selling, and it's always at the top of the chart if you're buying. So who that has no fear wants to sell it down here? See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? One of the best trades you can do is the the hidden divergence, but you're always selling at support and buying at resistance, and that is something opposite of what you're supposed to do. Oh, trading's a lot of fun, huh? Mozi Tabernak. Okay, let's go look at the S&P. Yeah. Well, let's see. No, man. That's not double top there. It's not a double top. And there's no divergence, low and lower low. There's no divergence to buy here. Ah, we got to write that off, man. S&P 500 is crapola today. Let's look at oil. Oh, look. There's no hidden divergence to buy it here. And there's no divergence with the high and the higher high to sell it from up here. Isn't that beautiful, huh? There's no divergence here that I see. And what about the pound yen? Ah, it doesn't look much better. Here's the new spike right here. So we had a low and a lower low. Let me show you. low and lower low. And that there. So if you would have bought in here, stop would have been 32 points. And it went up 60. So you would have done okay on that. Okay, so now we're looking at the euro yen. And it had the same thing as the pound yen right here. Low and lower low. Just like this. You have no idea how many times I've seen this setup like this, where there's a big wick and spike, whether it's below or above, and you draw it from the normal market flow, and it's divergent. Like I'm talking, I remember this exact same. Actually, it's in my book. It's in my course, man. In my manual, it shows a setup like this on the Euro USD back from 2011. That's how these kind of patterns repeat themselves, because they always got to get everybody selling if they're going to take it up. And if they're going to take it down, they got to get everybody buying at the top and they take it down. This is how they steal your money, ladies and gentlemen. You got to be aware of this. You got to look for these scenarios. You see, once you see price spike down and then go the opposite direction, you know that they trapped everybody, all the sellers, when they're really going to take it up. And where's the one where they did the opposite today? Yeah, right here, see? They took it up. They got everybody buying up here at 33,300 on the Dow. And what did they do? They sold the motherfucker down. Yeah, because they got all the suckers trapped buying, and then they sold it off. And their stops would have been right here. If they were buying right here, their stops would be all right here. See how it went down, bounced back up? Because it was filling all the orders in here. That they just stole all these buyers' money. That's how they do it. That's how they do it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how they do it. Let's go look at gold. Gold. Oh, shit. Okay. Let's go and look at gold now. Gold. Here we go. See? Spiked down and then they took it up. There's no divergence down here to buy it. And there's no divergence up here to sell it. And down they just broke new lows. See right here? Boom. We broke through that. Where's it going to go today? Is it going to go down here? I don't know. We got to wait and see. And then the pound dollar. Okay, let's look at the pound. Yeah, there was divergence up here to sell it. It's like a triple top. Okay, right there. And right there. And down it goes. And then it went back up. And I guess you could call it right here to right here. Yeah. You can call it there. And from right here to right here. And we put on our little doodah. Old doodah day. Would have sold it right here. Stop right there. 20 something points is the pound dollar. And it's now went down 37 pips. Not points, pips. This is currency we're looking at. So anyway, once again, I hope you learned something from my brain here today. And I want to thank you for coming out again today. And I want to thank you for listening and watching. And if you're, oh my God, am I ever stuttering today? Holy shit. Sorry about that. I've been poisoned. What else can I tell you? So if you would like to find out anything more about, the divergence, you can find that out in the description below. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Good luck and good trading.